Hey guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers and Blowers. Welcome to another weekend product review. Received this in the mail the other day. It is an Xsense 10-year lithium-ion battery life, smoke and carbon monoxide detector. So as you guys know, we all have smoke detectors in our house. I hope we all do. And also we have to have at least a couple of CO2 carbon monoxide detectors. Those are very important. But what's so annoying about these things is after a little while, it starts to beep because the battery goes bad. And usually you got to take it off the mounting bracket again and replace the 9-volt battery that's in it, you know? And usually these things don't even last more than 2 or 3 years at the most, you know? But this model over here is very interesting. Technology has really come a long ways over the years. And it has a 10-year battery. So you just, you know, you can mount it or you can just activate it and leave it on your shelf somewhere. You don't even have to drill holes into your wall unless you want to. You know what I mean? So once you do activate it, and you activate it by doing this. I'm going to show you. Here's the bracket where you would screw into the wall if you wanted to put it on a wall. For me, I will just activate it and put it somewhere. You know what I mean? Probably in my basement near my furnace or your boiler, you know, because things could happen that way. And one in the kitchen. And I know if you're cooking, smoke and stuff, it'll probably put off your alarm. But if you put it near your kitchen, that'll be good too. So it has an LED display over here, right? That gives you a reading of what carbon monoxide it detects. And also there's a test button here, as they all do. So once you activate it, and you activate it by just putting it on here and turning clockwise, and it's going to beep. There you go. So now it's activated, and you cannot turn it off again. It's good for 10 years from today, okay? So it does like a cycle of booting. And so this actually links to, if you had, let's say, up to 24 of these throughout your house, they're linked all together automatically, okay? And so if one goes off in, let's say, the basement, and you can't really hear it because you're sleeping, it goes off on all the ones that you have. So that is warning the entire household that you have an alarm sensor going off in the basement and for you to get out. Once again, this is for smoke. It's a smoke detector and it's a carbon monoxide detector, and it beeps up to 85 decibels, although I feel like it's louder than 85. I think it's over 100 decibels, but I'm no expert, you know. But the good convenient thing is this. You activate it, you put it down, and you're done for 10 years. You don't have to worry about the batteries running out for 10 years. That's really cool. That makes smoke and CO2 detectors a lot easier to, you know, maintain and to keep up on. You know you have to protect your household and your family by having both smoke and carbon monoxide. Are you going to go out and buy a carbon monoxide one and a smoke detector and the kinds that you have to change batteries every few years? It's kind of a pain, right? This one, you just buy it, you're covering both smoke and carbon monoxide, and also you're good to go for 10 years. Just leave it for 10 years and you're good to go. I'm like that, you know what I'm saying? I'd rather have something extremely important for your life and your household, but you don't really have to think about it too much, you know what I mean? I'll leave a link in the description if you guys are interested. I'm stoked that I have this. You're ready to go. We'll see you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.
See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers. Boom.
Hey, if you guys enjoyed the video, remember to give me a like. Also, comment below. Subscribe. Remember, it doesn't cost anything to subscribe. It's free, right? Also, hit that little bell. That way you'll get post notifications whenever there's a new video, and you won't miss out on any of them. Remember to follow my Instagram and Facebook, as well as, if you'd like to donate $1 or $2, paypal.me/mowersandblowers. Really appreciate all the support. Also, to keep the videos coming every day, support the channel. Bye.